1949, after the Second World War, Germany was divided into two countries, West Germany and East Germany. Berlin was the largest city and it was also divided into West Berlin and East Berlin. There was higher in West Germany and West Berlin. So many people who were living in East Germany chose to move. By 1961, around 20% of the population of East Germany had left for a better life, either in West Germany or West Berlin. The East German government wanted to stop so many people leaving the country. They had already closed the Main with West Germany, but on the 13th of August 1961, they installed a temporary between West Berlin and East Berlin days later. The East German army built a permanent wall there, the Berlin Wall. People who were living in East Berlin weren't allowed to travel to the west, or to have any contact with people living there.